Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This side Neeraj Sharma. Today I am going to tell you about the function upper, lower, and proper. So how we can apply all these functions in the same cell. So let's begin, then understand how we can do this. Open your MS Excel. Here I am showing some names, and if suppose all the names you can see in capital letter in uppercase, and you want to all these names convert into the lower, so you can apply the formula equal to lower, then select the form number this cell reference C4, then close the bracket, then enter. After that you can do drag and drop, apply the drag and drop option. Now all the names convert into the lowercase, but exactly what I want to do, I want to apply these functions here, not here. I want to apply in the same cells, because it is applying in this in another cells. So for that, what I want to do, if I'm doing copy from here to here and I'm doing paste, the result is 0. So that is not possible. So what I want to do, what should I do for that? First, when you are doing copy, control C, and here you are doing paste, so do not paste. Apply one command here, control alt and V. This is paste special command, and there is one option, value. Click on that, then click on OK button. So that things is, it has been applied in the same cells. Now you can delete all these name. So this is, if you are applying all these things in the same cells, so this is only the way. And suppose if you have some toggle names like G double O G L E, like this, if you are writing, and M O H A N Mohan, and some another name like R A J E S H, and you want to correct all these names, so you can apply equal to proper and select the cell reference and bracket close, then drag and drop. And same thing, you want to apply these names not here, you want to apply in the same cell here. So control C, first you will do copy and keep the cursor in this cell, and press the control alt and V and go to value option, and then click on OK button. Now you can delete all these options. So this is the right way to apply uppercase, lowercase, and proper case in the same cell, and not for only for upper, lower, and proper case. If you are applying these things and for any other functions, you can apply. So I think so you like my video. If you like, please subscribe my video, and as well as click on my bell icon button, so that if I am uploading new videos, so you can watch, and you can enjoy. So it is enough for today. Thank you very much, and remember, subscribe my video, please, please, please. Thank you very much.